Hi, welcome back again. And this time we are going to discuss about conscious mind and subconscious mind. I'm sure you must be aware of what is conscious mind, what is subconscious mind. But still let me explain to you. Now, we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind. What is the difference between both the mind? Our conscious mind is a very small part of our mind. And subconscious mind is a big part of our mind. And now, what is the difference between conscious mind and subconscious mind? Now, subconscious mind takes things literally. That means, whatever you said, it takes it literally. It doesn't understand no's. For example, if I say, don't think about a black cat, the black cat picture will come in your mind first. Conscious mind takes things literally. I give wonderful examples in my workshop about this. Interesting workshop. A friend of mine who wanted to make a lot of money, so he read a lot of books on creative visualization. And somebody told me by visualizing, counting a lot of money, he will make a lot of money. So started visualizing, counting a lot of money, morning, afternoon, evening, and sometime in the nights and in the dreams also. You know what happened? Finally, he landed up in a bank as a cashier counting other people's money. So my friends, what is the difference? Why he didn't make the money, he counting other people's money? Because subconscious mind takes things literally. He never said my money. That's why he missed it. So it's because subconscious mind takes things literally. Another example I give in my workshops are, we all wake up at certain time in the morning. And one of the days we want to wake up earlier than our usual time. What we do? We set an alarm. Say for example, you set an alarm for 5 o'clock to wake up in the morning. And when you went up to sleep, you know what happens? A few seconds before the alarm rings at 5 o'clock, your eyes are open, you are wide awake. Why this happen? Because you have given a programming to your subconscious mind to wake you up at 5 o'clock. Now for some people, a positive thing happens. They set an alarm for 5 o'clock, then went up to sleep, then woke up at 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4:30 and finally 7:30. That also happens sometimes. Why? Because of the fear and anxiety. You gave your subconscious mind a confusing programming. Like, I want to wake up early in the morning. Subconscious mind doesn't know what they mean by early in the morning. Early in the morning means after 12 o'clock midnight, morning starts and keeps you awake whole night. So my friends, listen carefully. Whatever you are in your business, your profession, that's what the programming you have given it to your subconscious mind. If you think that you have not achieved what you wanted to achieve, that means there's something wrong in the programming, like a friend of mine in the bank. So, we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind. Subconscious mind takes things literally. Now, other important thing about subconscious mind is, subconscious mind has a permanent memories, conscious mind has a temporary memories. For example, you met an interesting person very first time in a party or while traveling, and now after a few days you start thinking about that person. You're trying to recollect the name of the person, but you're not able to recollect it. You even remember how does he look like, what kind of dress he was wearing, but still the harder you try to recall the name is missing. You keep on saying to yourself, I kept somewhere here, but not coming out. And then when you stop thinking about that person, after 10 or 15 minutes, the name comes in. I'm sure it has happened to you a number of times. Happened with me all the time. Why were we not able to recall it? And where was the name stored? Was stored in subconscious mind. Why not able to recall it? Because we're trying to recall it consciously. And we're trying to recall it consciously. We're trying too hard to recall it. We create a block between our conscious mind and subconscious mind. That's why we are not able to recall it. Then what happened after 10 or 15 minutes? We stop trying. The message was sent to the subconscious mind. And the subconscious mind finds the name and give it to you when you are not thinking about it. So my friends, we have a subconscious mind and conscious mind. Subconscious mind has permanent memories. Conscious mind has temporary memories. Now, other important thing about our subconscious mind is, subconscious mind is an automatic pilot. When something is programmed, it's become automatic and effortless. Like driving a car. All our habits are programmed in our subconscious mind, and most of the time we do those things without our conscious knowledge. All our habits, like sportsmen, when they practice 100 shots, why they practice? Because they're going to subconscious mind and that they can play it without thinking. Subconscious mind, automatic pilot. When something is programmed automatic and effortless. Now it controls automatic function in your body also, like your breathing. Do you breathe consciously? If yes, sometime you'll forget to breathe. Then what will happen? You breathe unconsciously. If I ask you to take a breath now, take a deep breath now, when you take a deep breath, that's what you are doing it consciously. At the moment you stop doing that, you'll go into your normal routine breathing. Now, one more thing about our subconscious mind is, all our emotions are also recorded in our subconscious mind. When we are emotional, remember I told you, bypassing the critical factor of our conscious mind or analyzing part of our conscious mind, we are in hypnosis. Remember, when you are emotional, your conscious mind analyzing part is totally bypassed. That is the time whatever negative or positive suggestion goes inside subconscious mind goes directly into your subconscious mind, and most of the time we don't remember that. So these are the function and difference between conscious mind and subconscious mind. And you must be wondering how the subconscious mind is going to program. Now we have been programming our subconscious mind by external forces or sometimes by our own internal dialogue and thinking. Now subconscious mind is programmed in a number of different ways. The number one is when certain things you say to yourself regularly number of times get programmed, or somebody, parents or teachers or your friends say to you something directly like you are not good enough, you can't do that, especially a negative thing that get programmed in your subconscious mind. Now, when a role model, you like somebody, you tend to pick up their habit and get programmed in your subconscious mind. Authority figure says something to you, go directly into your subconscious mind. When you are emotional, whatever thought you take goes inside your subconscious mind. Something you do repeatedly number of times that goes into your subconscious mind and get it reprogrammed. That's why all our habits are programmed in your subconscious mind, and that is the reason if you are a smoker or you want to stop some kind of habits, it becomes difficult because you try to do it consciously. Unless you change the programming in your subconscious mind, it becomes difficult to change it. So now my friend, these are the way the mind is being programmed. And now through self-hypnosis, you can reprogram your subconscious mind consciously. In self-hypnosis, you bypass the analyzing part of your conscious mind and do the programming. And when you come out of self-hypnosis, the programming remains. So my friend, in the next exercise, we are going to learn how to go into self-hypnosis easily, naturally and effortlessly. Thank you.